In this question, we need to find the values of the constants a, b, and c. First of all, we're going to find a, and we're going to do this by the fact that we know that the coefficient of x is minus 64. So thinking about what we would get if we were to expand this, we would have 6 choose something, 2 to some power, and then minus ax to some power. To get just the x term, that power needs to be 1, which means this is 1, which means this is going to be 5. 6 choose 1 is 6, 2 to the power of 5 is 32. This is minus ax. So now what we know is that 6 times 32 times minus ax is equal to minus 64x. That gives us that minus 192a is equal to minus 64. And a is equal to 64 of 192, which is 1/3. So a is equal to 1/3. Now we know a, we can work out the other constants b and c. That's going to be 6 choose something, 2 to the power of something, minus x over 3, because we now know that's a third, to the power of something. B is when there is no power of x, so that's 0, and that's 6, so that's 1, that's 64, and that's 1. So b is equal to 64. And for c, we have 6 choose something, 2 to the power of something, minus x over 3 to some power. This is when x is squared, so this one needs to be squared, which means this is 2 and this is 4. 6 choose 2 is 15, 2 to the 4 is 16, and this is going to be x squared over 9. So c is going to be 15 times 16 divided by 9, which comes out as 80 over 3.